if you're going to start a side hustle, make sure you're keeping track of your money. Make sure you go into it with a goal. Make sure you have a game plan for what success looks like. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting there spinning your wheels without success. If you had to leave someone with a final message, what would it be?
Like you said, track every dollar that goes in or out of a side hustle, especially if it's something that's 1099 based. Your mileage on your car, the gas you put into the car, anything like any work that you do on the car. Little pro tip: if you only do like $600 worth of or say you do like $500 worth of Ubering on a year, like you barely did any, it's just like a little extra. Get it up to 600. You'll technically have to pay 600 on that taxes, but then like you can also claim everything that you've done for Uber up until that point.
Taking the standard deduction is usually better for you until you got in quite a few miles, repairs, you're using a home office and stuff like that. So definitely talk to an accountant.
Yeah.